Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a hammerhead shark surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our hammerhead shark surprise fold, we need to fold our paper in half. So to begin, we want to take our paper, fold it in half just by lining up the two corners. Then we just want to press it down and give it a nice crease. That way you have something like a little card. Next, I'm going to turn my paper and I'm going to fold down this top flap onto here. So I'm just going to fold it down. And that way I have a nice little fold. Now we can open our paper this way, or we can open it this way, your choice. I'm going to go ahead and leave my paper this way so I can open it up this. Now to start off with our hammerhead shark surprise fold, we need to make the eyes. I'm going to begin right here by drawing a circle for one of the eyes. I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to make another circle over here, same size. Now starting down here, kind of right by the fold, we want to make a nice little line. So I'm going to draw a line that goes right across, and I'm going to make a line that goes up and over. I'm going to do the same thing over here. We're just going to make a line that goes across. We're going to come up and over. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes right across here to connect it for the top of my hammerhead shark. Now I want to color in these eyes really quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a small circle inside each eye. Then I just want to color in the circle parts really quickly. Now starting here, I want to make the kind of like the body of my little shark. So we've got our two lines here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down. Then we're going to curve it over here. Then starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's just going to come down this way. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes out. And it's going to come back for a little flipper. And then I'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to draw a little line that goes down, and it's going to come up here. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a line that comes up, and a little line that comes down. And then I'm just going to connect them with a curve. So it kind of looks like a little banana or a little moon shape. And back here, I want to make a little line that goes up and then down for the famous shark fin. Now, right up here, I'm just going to add a little black dot here and a little black dot here for the nose of my hammerhead shark. So here is our basic shape right now. We just have our little cute hammerhead shark. Now what we need to do is open it up and make the mouth. Now this is going to be the fun part. So you want to go ahead and open up your picture. And you can see that right on here is I have two little dots where I kind of drew my line all the way up here. So when I open this up, I have these two little tiny dots right here. I need to connect these dots down to here. So first I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and connect this one. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and connect right to here. So that way, when I have it all closed up, I have my little shark. And then when I open it, I've got it nice and wide so I can make a really fun mouth in here. Now, what I want to do is I want to make a nice big mouth for my little hammerhead shark. But I got to make sure that I don't draw above this fold And I don't want to come above like this line right here because I would see that when I have it closed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that comes right here. Then I'm going to draw a nice line down here that goes down. It's going to go over, and it's going to come up. So now when I close this, I have my little shark, and then when I open it, his mouth is nice and wide open. Now I want to put some teeth in here. So to do this, I'm going to draw some big, sharp, pointed teeth for my hammerhead shark. So we're just going to draw some nice, big, sharp teeth. Then we'll do the same down here. We're just going to make some nice, big, pointy triangles to make some really cool looking shark teeth. Now, starting right here in the middle, I'm going to make a little line that comes down. I'm going to put a curve on one side and a curve on the other. And we'll draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come around and up for the tongue. And I'm not sure if sharks really even have tongues, but we have one on here. Then I'm just going to make a big black circle for like the back of the mouth. Now we have our little shark here. Now one of the things we want to do is just add some little fun details. So I'm going to add a couple little fish swimming away from here. And once again, I want to make sure that I don't draw my fish too close to here or too far up here, or else we would see them. So to make my little fish, I'm just going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve up and down, and a little line that's just going to curve down and up. I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up. It's going to come down and back up. I'm going to add a little curve here with a little triangle shape on here for the fin, and another little fin down here. I'm going to add two little bumps for the lips of my fish. And I'm going to add a circle for the eye. And I'm going to put a little black dot in here for the pupil. So then I'm going to do this for a couple more fish so I can have a few different fish swimming away from here. So I'm going to go a little bit faster through this and just draw these faster. Now, once you have your fish drawn, then if you want to, you could always come in here and add some different things like some bubbles or different things like that. I like to put about 3 bubbles by each one just to make them a little bit different sizes and just to kind of make them look a little bit more interesting. But there you go. There is your drawing of a little hammerhead shark surprise fold. So when I take this and fold it up, I have my cute little hammerhead shark. But then when I open it up, he has this great big mouth and he's nice and hungry. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.